Welcome.
Hello there, this is George with XEORGE Realty and Equity Real Estate. Hey, listen, I'm going to get right to the point. So today I wanted to record this video and teach you how you can schedule a text to go out at any time in the future. And in order to do this, you need a couple of things. You need to have Google Voice, and of course you need to have Gmail. So let's get to it. All right, so here is my Google Voice screen, and then here's my email. We're going to be using this account to make this work. All right, so let's get started. In order for this to work, you need to have two things. You need to have Gmail, and you also need to have Google Voice. What you need to do first is you first need to send a text message to the person that you want to schedule a text message to go out to in the future. So in this case, I'm going to send it to myself. I'm going to send it to my other number, so 801-477-0219. Okay, I'm going to send it to that number, and I'm going to send just a quick text message. I'm going to just say, George, how are you? Question mark. All right. So in order for this to work, I actually need to get a reply from George. So I'm going to go and reply and say, I am doing well. How about you? Question mark. Okay, so I sent a message to George right there, and I just got a reply back from George. So now I tracked his number, so I know that that number is good and that I can send him a message in the future. So we're done with Google Voice. Now we're going to jump to your Gmail account. So here is the text message I got from George. So I sent him a text message, and he replied back and said, I am doing well. How about you? So now that I have this number, then I can reply to it and just say, George, I hope you are doing well and you have a great new year. So let's say I want to be the first one to wish him a happy new year, and I'm going to say I'm just going to sign it me. Okay, so there's the text message, and here is the part that's cool. So I'm going to go schedule that text message, and I'm gonna go to January 1st at 12:01 a.m. Okay, so, and I'm gonna schedule it right now. There it is. So my message is scheduled, and so it will show up here where it says scheduled, and there's the scheduled text message, and it's going to say, George, I hope you are doing well and you have a great new year, me. So this is going to go out on January 1st, 2021 at 12:01 a.m. Okay, now a couple of things you need to remember. First of all, I'm going to cancel this send. Since you're in Gmail, it's tempting to put it in email format, like you say George and then put a space and then your signature down here. Don't do that. Do not ever do that. It's a no-no, because then the only thing that's going to send is this right here, George. So it all has to be in one line. I mean, you could have two lines, but as long as it's, you know, as long as it's consistent. So you can say, George, hope you have a great new year. I wish the very best for you and your family and your friends. I really value your friendship, and hope we do a ton of business this year. Then I could just sign it, and there we go. That's the message that I can send. It's two lines, but it's all sequential. Now I can schedule it. I'm going to schedule it for January 1st, and it's going to be at 12:01 a.m. just say schedule send. And that's all you need to do. And this text message will go at 12:01 a.m. on January 1st, 2021. So if you have birthdays, if you have anniversaries, if you have an important text message that you want to send, let's say you're an early riser but you don't want to send that text message at 4 a.m. because you know that George is going to be sleeping. So maybe you want to schedule it to go out at 9 a.m. but you want to write the text message now so you don't forget, because you're going to have appointments at 8 a.m. or whatever. Then you could use this schedule text message this way. There's a lot of ways that you could use it. So anyways, that's how you can send a text message or schedule to send a text message using Google Voice and also Gmail. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. All right, you guys take care. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.